HPM is very excited to announce a major expansion, which allows us to serve even more of our customers' needs. We've doubled our footprint on Oahu. We're now 50,000 square feet under roof and over 6 acres of property.
HPM has become the distributor of SCAFCO light gauge metal framing and also with CertainTeed ceiling tiles. That rounds up everything in the building industry along with the lumber division, insulation, and other products that HPM offers.
Our goal is to be able to provide every aspect of the project to our customers, from the lumber to the steel, the drywall, the paint, the siding, the roof coating.
HPM as a company is always striving towards new products, new offerings to better service the customer.
This is just the beginning of our big plans here on Oahu for HPM. Stay tuned, there's more to come.